Terrifying stories from the Bible. Extraterrestrials mentioned in the Bible. If you still do not know this part of the Bible, it will leave you totally surprised, because in the same Bible it is mentioned that Ezekiel saw aliens. This is mentioned in the book of Ezekiel when the prophet describes seeing a flying disc that came from the north and went down in the desert. Its color was metallic and there was a great light inside it. Ezekiel thought it was the same God, since it was also backed by small figures around it as if they were angels. Later, Ezekiel was assured that it was not a vision and that what he was seeing was totally real. In 1974, a book called Ezekiel's Spaceships was published, where the author analyzes the Bible in 6 different translations, and together with her experience in engineering presents a possible version of the visions of what Ezekiel could have seen. This subject is undoubtedly one of the most curious and least mentioned mysteries of the Bible.